How to get Google Veo 3 for free. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now we all have seen these super realistic AI generated videos that are now being created with Google Veo 3, and everyone wants to know how can we access this tool, how do we use it, and is it available for free? Now these are all videos that I have created using Google Veo 3. You guys can see they are hyper realistic. It is able to generate whatever you want, even if you want to generate a fantasy world, if you want to generate a Vogue-like shoot, if you want to generate anything. If you're able to create a prompt, then you're gonna be able to create the video. So to get started with Google Veo 3 for free, you're gonna have to head on over to deepmind.google. Now, once you do that, you have Veo, and you're going to have two options. You can try it in Gemini or try it in Flow. You can proceed with any one of these options. So I'm going to click on try it in Flow, and you're going to have to sign up for a Google AI subscription plan. Now, AI subscription plan, hey, that sounds like a paid plan. Well, it most definitely is. However, if you go on ahead and take a look at Google's AI plans, you will actually see you have the ability to get started with Pro for 1 month without any charges. Then after that, you can get started with the Google AI Pro subscription for almost $20 and AI Ultra for $124 for 3 months. So both of these are amazing, and you can get access to Veo 3 on even the AI Pro, so you don't have to necessarily go for the upgrade, but it gives you far more credits. You get around 10 times the credits, whereas you get 1,000 credits on Google AI Pro and 12,000 on the Ultra. Now go back into labs.google/flow and then click on create with Flow. Once you do that, the next thing you have to do is just sign up with your email address, and that is it. You will have to put down your card information, and after you've put that down, it's not going to charge you even a single dollar. It's only going to charge you after your trial period has run out, and once your trial period has run out, then it is going to charge you. So you can use it completely for free till then. On your top right, you will have your account email, and then you will see the number of credits you have. Then you can click on manage membership to upgrade or downgrade or cancel your subscription, whatever you prefer. Now we have accessed Veo 3 for free, and I've created all of these amazing videos for free actually. So this is one of the videos we've created, and all I put in as the prompt was high fashion editorial video campaign with a model of medium olive skin wearing clothes made out of gold. And this is the video that it created. Then after that, we have extended upon this scene. So if I scroll up, you guys can see this is the extension of that scene. So from here, it zooms out to all white models wearing tree-like clothing. So all these models are wearing tree-like clothing. Now, if you want to create something beautiful like this, simply click on new project. And once you have clicked on new project, you will see this type of screen pop up. Now, on the bottom, you have the ability to put in your prompt, and you have two options. You can convert text into video as well as frames into video. So we're going to go with text into video, and we're going to type in our prompt. I want to create a world, or just I want to create a hyper realistic video. So a woman doing her makeup, and I'm just going to put in this prompt, and we're going to wait for our Veo 3 to generate the video. Now, another really important thing is the models that you have access to are different. So on your bottom right, you will see against the prompt section that you have the ability to generate a certain number of outputs with one singular prompt. I have selected this at 1, and then below that you have the ability to choose the model. Now Veo 2 has two variants. You have the fast and quality version. However, if you want videos that also include high quality audio, then you want to opt for Veo 3 because it is able to generate the most beautiful videos with the best quality and experimental sound or audio as well. So we're going to wait for our video to be completed, and this is our video. So you guys can see this is the video. It's very realistic. Honestly, if I saw this on YouTube, I wouldn't be able to tell a difference whether this is a real influencer doing their makeup or if this is an AI generated video. Now on the top top right, you have your saving options. So if you click on the save icon, you have 3 options. You can save this as a animated GIF, you can save the original size, or you can save the upscaled version in 1080p. Then you can view this in full screen, and if you click on these ellipses, you can delete the output as well as flag the output if you find it to be inappropriate. Now, moving on, what I want to do is I want to go into frames to video. So I'm going to select frames to video over here, and you guys can see on the bottom, once you click on frames to video, it creates this type of prompt section. So you can click on over here, you can generate an image, then create a video off of that image, but I am going to upload a photo and I'll show you guys the photo as well. I'm just quickly going to be uploading, and this is the photo that I have uploaded. I am going to crop this out like so. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'll actually keep it full screen. And once I've done that, this is the complete image. So now I'm gonna go back ahead and we're going to be creating a video out of that using Veo 3. So once your image has been uploaded, you can actually select your second frame as well. So if you want, you can have multiple images uploaded and you can use those as a frame of reference. But I want to just create a video within this first image, and you can even see you have the ability to choose the camera angles. So if you want to dolly in, dolly out, jib down, jib up, orbit left, orbit right, tuck left, tilt up, tilt down. Now I want to dolly out. That is going to be the frame. And I want the woman walks in. And after that, this is going to generate the second scene for this particular project that we're creating. So now let's take a look at the results that have been created. And this is the video that has been created, just like so. Now this looks like a high-end luxury magazine video, and you are able to expand on any previous images that you have. Now, if you're looking for inspiration on Veo 3, then you can click on Watch Flow TV on the top and you're able to get a lot of ideas and inspiration. So once you click on Watch Flow TV, then you are going to see a bunch of different videos that are being created by other users. And you have the ability to click on Show Prompt. And once you click on Show Prompt, this will show you the prompts that are being used. And you can view it in a grid view. Once you take a look at the grid view, you can move into different channels. So we have this fit check channel and different types of videos that are being created here. Then after that, if we move forward, we also have a channel for like no one's watching. So all of these are dance videos that are being created. Now from here, you can, move forward and take a look at whatever type of channel suits you. And then you can go into the lightbox view and view the prompts that are being used. So once you click on this, so you guys can see a split screen tornado funnel shape and whirling with a full speed dance. So on and so forth, you're able to get more ideas and inspiration for your amazing videos using Veo 3. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to know anything else about Google Veo 3, make sure to comment down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say. Thanks for watching.